If you're just starting out in internet marketing and you're in a tight budget, you may want to try getting traffic or building your list through traffic exchanges. And one of the best traffic exchanges out there is a site called TrafficSwarm. Okay, you can visit them at trafficswarm.com. And the way that traffic exchanges work is that you have to spend time visiting other member sites in order for you to get credits. And as an option, you can also purchase these credits. You can then use these credits to have your ad displayed in their network. So in TrafficSwarm, the way it works is you would set up a campaign, write a short description of your link, and decide how many credits per day to devote to a campaign. Now, the benefits of using traffic exchanges are that the traffic is free if you're willing to spend the time visiting other member sites, and also you can get traffic overnight with the potential to get unlimited traffic.